Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Wida Mega Putri from class C 2019. Here I will explain about material problem solving. Children Language Teaching Methodology Kursus from lecture Mr. Ahmad Junaidi SPD MPD. Okay, number 1. What is the problem solving? Problem solving method is a presenting lessons material by making a problem as a starting point for discussion to be analysis and synthesis in an effort to find solutions or answer by students. Sudirman 1987. Jadi metode problem solving ini adalah cara penyajian bahan belajar yang menjadikan suatu masalah sebagai titik tolak pembahasan dalam mencari pemecahan atau jawaban dari siswa. Sudirman 1987. The problem solving isn't just a teaching method, but also a teaching method of thinking because the problem solving can use other methods that start by following data until to draw conclusions. Yakin 2013. Jadi metode problem solving ini bukan hanya sekedar metode mengajar, tetapi juga dikatakan sebagai metode berpikir karena problem solving ini dapat digunakan metode lainnya dimulai dari menganalisis data sampai menarik kesimpulan. Yakin 2013. Number 2, effectiveness of problem solving learning. So students are expected to be individuals who have broad insight and are able to the relationship between learning and aspect in their environment. Jadi di sini itu siswa diharapkan bisa menjadi individu yang berwawasan luas serta dapat melihat hubungan pembelajaran dengan aspek-aspek yang ada di lingkungannya. And what are the benefits problem solving? According to Jahiri 1983, problem-solving methods provide several benefits include A. Develop students' skill in solving problems. B. Develop students' thinking skills. C. Inquiry or problem-solving the ability to copy a real process in situations. D. Fostering the development of an attitude of feeling. Next, what is the purpose problem solving? The purpose of problem learning solving are as follows. A. Students become skilled at selecting relevant information, then analyzing it and finally re-examining the results. B. Intellectual satisfaction will arise from within an intrinsic reward for students. C. The intellectual potential of students increases. D. Students learn how to make discoveries by going through the process of making discoveries. Number 3, learning steps of the problem-solving method. According to David Johnson and Johnson, A. Defining the problem. B. Diagnosis problems. C. Formulation alternative. D. Define and implement strategy. E. Evaluating strategy success. Number 4, advantage and disadvantage of problem-solving learning method. Advantage of problem-solving skills learning method. A. This method can make education in schools more relevant to life, especially the world of work. B. The teaching and learning process through problem solving can familiarize students with dealing with and solving problems carefully. C. Stimulate the development of students' thinking skill creatively and thoroughly. Disadvantage of problem solving learning method. A. Determine the problem whose level of difficulty corresponds to the level of students' thinking, requires the ability and skill of the teacher. B. The teaching and learning process using the method often requires a lot of time and is often proceed to take the time of other people's lessons. C. Change students' learning habits by listening to and receiving information from teacher into learning the things about solving problems on their own in groups. Sometimes requiring a variety of learning resources is a difficulty for students. Okay, I think that's all. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.